Hi, I'm Mr. Warner, and welcome to the New Oxford Workshop. Today we're going to celebrate 100 years of education at New Oxford High School. We're going to look at some of the projects the students have built and look at some of the machinery that they used to build it. But before we go in the shop, we have to remember the most important safety rule, and that's to always wear these safety glasses. Come on, let's take a look.
Funding for the New Oxford Workshop is provided by the state and federal government and by taxpayers like you.
Many projects from nightstands, gun cabinets, bedroom sets, and even entire kitchen cabinet sets have been produced in our wood shop.
Because our table saw doesn't have the flash detection system that SawStop offers, our instructors Mr. Warner and Mr. Myers have to stand by and watch each student operate the saw to ensure they are operating it safely.
With 160 students in the workshop each year, you can imagine how this slows instructional and work time in the shop.
If we had a SawStop table saw, our instructors would feel safer letting the students operate the saw by themselves and would feel free to help their classmates.
Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching our video, and please vote so our school can continue the tradition of quality craftsmanship at New Oxford High School. All right.